Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the casino that is the stock market. My name is Shades. If it's your first time here, be sure to subscribe and give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's jump into the video. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are live. Let's talk about the stock market. The stock market watch list, the stock market bear market, the dump, the crash. It's happening. I took some time off because I had some severe eye strain, and here I am back with more energy. My eyes don't feel heavy and tired. I have been sleeping well, and my eyes got 3 days of no screen time. It was miserable. Like, what do I do with my life? Not being able to look at an iPad, iPhone, Android phone, or my 5-monitor setup. And I think I also have I already mentioned the iPad. So it was very boring, but I found a way to make it work, and my eyes feel great. Let's talk about this bear market. Silver is coming on down. That's when you know something's going on. I'm looking for silver under $24. I am looking at Bitfarms under $1.50. Riot platforms, I have been accumulating this one. The last time this one came down under 10 and did not come back up to 20, as you can see, that trading range was the previous bear market, where it dropped from a high of 36 to a low of $3.25. I am accumulating this one like crazy. I am excited for the opportunity to take advantage of this bear market. So Riot stock is my big play. That one is my money maker, and I believe in this one because, I mean, unless you believe that Bitcoin's just gonna fall off the face of the earth, I don't see that happening. Just like gold didn't fall off the face of the earth. You could trade gold miners too, but I'm just going to stick to the volatility that Riot and Mora and CLSK and all the other miners offer. So this one's my big. This is the big one right here. Feel free to join the Discord if you want to see all the alerts. That is where we are just accumulating every single opportunity that we get. SPY double top coming on down. Big red bar. Holy crap! What a dump happened. What happened on Friday? Sheesh. I go away for a day and things just start falling. Okay, but I'm back. Maybe tomorrow we'll have a green day. I would look for SPY to come down to like 512, come down to this 200 Emma. Is that the 200 or the 21? I think that's the 21. Okay, either way, the point is we are dumping. We have been running hot on the market. We have been in a bull run for a while now, since it bottomed out at 339 way back in October 12, 2022. It's been 2 years, almost 2 years, since we even had any kind of price action like this, where we're just dumping so hard. That is why I'm saying be very cautious, but also take advantage of the opportunities to buy good companies at cheap prices. If the top 500 companies in the S&P are struggling, then you know something's going on, and it's time to be cautious. What happened to Palantir here? It jumped 7%. Oh, I think it's going on it's joining the S&P 500, if I recall. So keep an eye on that one. That one's a good long-term hold. Let's see if we get it nice and cheap back under $7. That thing hit a low in the previous bear market. It hit a low of $5.70. So this one's a good one to accumulate if it gets nice and cheap and starts dumping. NVIDIA, I'm watching this one very closely for 100. If it touches 100 and under, I'm going to start accumulating a lot of shares, and some shares for swing trading as well. Sophie, the CEO, likes to buy this one nice and cheap at $6. So I would absolutely look to buy this one at around $6 to $6.50 and accumulate it for the next bull run. There's just a lot of good companies out there, guys. You don't have to buy penny stocks and garbage. You don't have to buy garbage, guys. You can buy good stocks at cheap prices, and then, in the next bull run, you take advantage of all the greed that comes in and pushes it up for us. Tearaway stock, I haven't bought into this one yet, but this one has been going sideways between $1.50 and $2 plus. I'm waiting to see if it's going to come down to 150, because if we are in a bear market and this is going to be the start of it, man, oh man, are we going to see Tilray come down lower than 150? So I'm being very extra cautious here about buying the bottom here, especially with what's going on in the markets. GameStop, what happened to this? Okay, I'm not going to talk about GameStop. I don't care. If you want to buy GameStop, wait for under 20. Around $20, because that's where it's been holding. And if you believe that Kitty will come back one day and we're going to get another huge run, definitely accumulate that one at 20. Big Bear AI, a lot of stocks are coming down to test their support. Whether it holds, even SoundHound, it's coming down to the bottom of its range. But if we are genuinely in a bear market and we're going to continue to fall, we will see a lot of trading ranges absolutely break down. So don't get scared if you see a trading range, if you see a lot of stocks just break supports. That's kind of what happens in bear markets, right? It just keeps creating lower lows and lower and higher lows. Or no, wait, lower highs. It just keeps going down. So you would expect, supports to keep breaking. So be careful. $4 is what I'm looking for here on SoundHound, but I might be a little more cautious because of what's happening with the price action in the markets. Let's see if maybe it breaks down and comes down as low as 2. I mean, that can happen. I just showed you Palantir at one point came down from 20 to what, $5, right? It came down from 30 to $3 or $4. So a bear market, do not underestimate how cheap they can get. Tesla, I would wait for under 100. Holy crap, that's a mega big red bar. I would wait for under 200. Anytime this one, there's my pink line. Anytime it comes under that pink line, anytime it comes under 200, start accumulating it. But because we are entering a bear market, I would be very careful and wait to see if it comes down as low as 150 and under. Right now, it's all about accumulating the good ones at cheap prices. AMC, I don't care about NEO either. Shopify is a good one, but I would only buy it at 30. At the previous bear market, it bottomed out here. Very clear bottom. Bottomed out at around $30. Did come down as low as 23 before hitting a high of 91. So that's what I'm waiting for on that one. That one's a good one too. Again, good companies, cheap prices. They always make you money because they come back up during the bull run. I don't care about Chewy. This one used to be like $100 or something. Yeah, this thing, I don't know what happened to that one. I'm not touching that. Uranium. Ouch. Uranium. I mean, uranium is doing what Bitcoin is doing. It's just going to keep going lower. So I'm not going to buy uranium. I'm just going to stick to Riot stock, honestly. I used to trade uranium, but I'm like, you know what? Bitcoin miners are a little more volatile. They can jump like from dollar. They can jump dollars in days. As we've seen, it's been coming down dollars, right? Clover Health, I would wait for this one under 2 for a swing. Let's see, anything else here? Man, I missed out on so much this week. What is CLF doing? It's this one just broke its biggest support here at 1182. That one's gonna bleed to like dollars. Holy crap! Keep an eye on that one. I wouldn't buy it yet, but keep an eye on that one. ASTS. That one's run too heavy. Actelis here. I was going to buy this one, but again, because of the bear market fear that's going on, I'm just going to hold off. Sometimes you got to recognize when it's time to, sit back, hold off, and just let the market do its thing and see when are we going to reverse is the biggest question. Right now, there's no signs of reversal. Not after that ugly Friday. By the looks of it, again, I wasn't around Friday because I was giving my eyes time off. But boy, did it look ugly. Yeah, I think that's it for the video. I don't see anything else here worth our time. Nope. Here's Mara stock, pretty much moving exactly like Riot. So, man, Mara under $10, that's going to be a buy. That's going to be a buy under $10. Absolutely. That's going to be super cheap, just like Riot is right now. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this quick analysis. This is literally what I do. I just pull up a ton of charts and quickly go through them and see what's good, what's not. Keep the good ones and get ready to swing trade. And that's it for the video. Hopefully you like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.